In this video, I'd like to give an update about my Charles Schwab brokerage account. This is a stock portfolio that I'm trying to build to $100,000 and beyond. I just started it about a month ago, a little over a month ago. And so I like to give updates periodically on how well this brokerage account, this portfolio is performing or how bad it's performing. So this video, we're going to look at the dates of June 8th, 2022 to July 15th, 2022. So I started the account, I opened the account on June 8th. And as I record this, it's the day after July 15th. So this is the most up-to-date performance that I have so far. I like to try to do it every week, give an update every week on how this portfolio is doing. I know it's not good to think like that, but for the sake of learning more about investing, definitely I think it's good to keep track, give an update, what I'm learning. Hopefully it can help some people out there. So far, from June 8th, 2022 to July 15th, 2022, this account has gained $27.90. I've started out when I opened the account up, I started with $500 and I added $1,000 more to this account. As I stated in my other videos that concern this brokerage account portfolio, the goal is to contribute at least $500 a month or $1,000 a month. So far, in a little over a month, I've contributed $1,500, and at $27.90 is the investment change, and the ending value is $1,500, or $1,527.90. Now, I'm learning. Right? That's the whole goal of this YouTube channel, is to become good at investing, become more educated and knowledgeable about investing. And I got to be honest with you, I'm not sure when it says plus $27.90 and this up here says your account gained $27.90 during this time period, which is basically when I opened the account to present day. I think that's a good thing, right? Green is good. But over here, the rate of return says I'm minus 3.7%. So I'm not sure how that works. What's the difference? I'm going to look into it. If you know more about this stuff than I currently do, please feel free to help not only me out, but anybody else that might be watching this video. Leave a comment in the comment section below and kind of explain the difference, because it looks like I'm making money here, but my rate of return is down almost 4%, 3.7%. I'm not sure if it factors in the contributions that I make here. Maybe that's why I'm in the positive. But the way I see this, it looks like I'm down 3.7%. But there you see over the short lifespan of this portfolio, the ups and downs of this portfolio. When it was down here, I wasn't freaking out. I know it's a long game. This week, I bought a few shares because I had like $150 something in my account, my brokerage account, that I haven't invested yet. I saw Delta Airlines. It seemed like they were offering good value. The stock price at the beginning of this week was, to me, undervalued. So I bought, I think it was 5 shares of Delta Airlines. So that's probably all the shares I'm going to buy for the month of July until I put more money in my account. So we'll keep track and see how well this does. You know, it's up and down all the time, up and down all the time. And luckily, for the end of this week on Friday, it seemed like most of the stocks that I had in this portfolio did pretty well. So I don't see this number being in the green too much longer, because it never is. It's always up and down, especially these times. But I know that the way things are with inflation being high, with being close to a bear market, it's still a good thing if you got money to buy shares. Right now's the time to buy those shares if you can afford it, if it doesn't affect your living expenses or your bills or money that's supporting yourself, your family, of course your kids. I mean, we got to have priorities here, but if you got the money to invest, I try to tune out all that noise that you hear on the news and the media and stuff, and people going in panic mode, because usually if you do your research and buy quality companies, shares of quality companies, I think in the long run, you're going to be better off. Buy these shares while they're lower prices, while the price is down a little bit. I might regret buying those Delta Airline shares, but I think a lot of people after the pandemic are ready to travel. I think it's for the price that I bought it at, I thought it was a pretty good bargain. So I'm willing to take that risk. So hopefully over time, that investment that I made this week by buying Delta Airline shares will grow over time. I know, not everybody's confident in the airline industry, but that's why I'm doing this. I'm learning, right? And if I lose the money that I bought the Delta Airline shares, so be it. That's part of the education, part of my tuition, so to speak, about learning how to do this. It's money that I can't afford to lose, fortunately. So I'm not, it won't, sure, I don't want to lose money, but I'm prepared to lose money. But I think I made a good decision. I think I researched it. I know I researched it. I know that I made a good decision, and that's all you can do, right? Research, get that information, and based on that information, make wise decisions. Will every one of those decisions be a good decision? Will you be right all the time? No, but I think over a series, a lot of decisions, of good decisions that you make based on research, based on fact, based on past performance, I think in the long run, it can benefit this portfolio and any other kind of investing that I do or you do. So we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. I'm always excited because I always want to learn how to invest in the stock market, how to invest, become a better investor. And so this is exciting for me. And it's exciting to see this portfolio grow, which I think it has. If I'm reading that right, $27.90 over a month and a half, basically. But I'm going to look more into this. I'm going to figure out the difference between down 3.7%, but making money over here, $27 based on the $1,500 that I've invested, or almost $1,500. I think I got like $9 in my account right now, but I'm going to load it back up every month with $500 or $1,000 a month and keep investing, keep buying shares that are offering good value, that are undervalued, and hopefully over time we can see this portfolio grow, and I can make this money work for me, and one day I won't have to work for money. All right, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you're interested in investing, if you want to follow me on my journey, if you want to become good at investing, or if you're already good at investing, please help us out. I think it's a much needed skill that people need to know about, because we sure don't learn it in school, especially at the, kindergarten through 12th grade, certainly, there. And most colleges, to my knowledge, don't require you to take a personal finance class or investing class unless you major in business or finance. So hopefully this channel and these videos could be an educational resource that documents me learning about investing, becoming educated, self-educated about investing, and hopefully it can serve to help other people too if they are interested in becoming a better investor and learning about investing and getting good at investing. So I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And hopefully we can watch as this portfolio grows over the years, and hopefully you can implement some of the things that you might learn from this channel. Or if you already know these things, you can share them in the comments section so others can learn from them. And we can be financially independent, and we can learn how to make money and save money and invest money so we can live life on our own terms. Take care.